Are you looking for the best PC VR headsets? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC VR headsets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Oculus Rift S VR Gaming Headset. The Oculus Rift S VR gaming headset boasts an extensive library of VR games, with top-quality optics, ergonomic design, updated touch controllers, and Oculus Insight tracking. The headset has a halo headband to keep it secure and comfortable during intense gameplay. The improved optics feature next-generation lenses and a sharper display, providing bright, vivid colors and reduced screen door effect. The Oculus touch controllers offer intuitive, realistic precision in your hand movements and gestures. The Oculus Insight translates your movements into VR without external sensors, providing room-scale tracking. Additionally, the headset requires a Facebook account to log in, allowing you to connect with friends and communities worldwide. What we like: extensive library of VR games, improved optics with next-generation lenses and sharper display, ergonomic design with a halo headband for comfort during gameplay, updated touch controllers for realistic precision in hand movements and gestures, Oculus Insight tracking for room-scale tracking without external sensors. Number 2. Valve Index Full VR Kit. The Valve Index Full VR Kit includes a headset, base stations, and controllers. It features dual 1440 by 1600 LCDs with full RGB per pixel, ultra-low persistence global backlight illumination, and a 58mm to 70mm range physical adjustment for interpupillary distance, IPD. The headset also includes ergonomic adjustments for head size, eye relief, FOV, speaker positions, and a rear cradle adapter. Please note that a PC compatible with Valve Index is required. What we like: ergonomic adjustments for a comfortable fit, physical adjustment for interpupillary distance for a personalized experience, high-quality display with full RGB per pixel and low-persistence global backlight illumination. Number 3. Lenovo Explorer Mixed Reality Headset. The Lenovo Explorer headset offers an exciting way to experience virtual reality from home. With a quick setup, you can immerse yourself in stunning destinations or become the hero of thrilling games. The headset features a high display resolution of 2880 by 1440, ensuring that every detail pops. Comfort is a priority, as this lightweight design is adjustable, allowing you to enjoy long sessions without discomfort. You can interact with your virtual environment in various ways, whether through motion controllers, your keyboard and mouse, or even Xbox controllers, enhancing your gaming and exploration experience. What we like: high display resolution, lightweight and comfortable, multiple interaction methods, quick setup. Number 4. Pimax Crystal Light Headset. The Pimax Crystal Light offers an impressive QLED display with 2880 by 2880 resolution per eye, ensuring you enjoy stunning visual clarity in your virtual experiences. Weighing in as a lightweight headset, it provides a comfortable fit for extended gaming sessions. Additionally, the upscale mode enhances frame rates while preserving visual quality, making gameplay smoother and more enjoyable. You'll also need to consider a subscription for access, which can be refunded if the headset meets return requirements. This combination of features makes the Pimax Crystal Light an excellent choice for any PC VR enthusiast. What we like: high display resolution, lightweight and comfortable, upscale mode for better performance, refund option for subscription. Number 5. DPVR E4 VR Headsets. DPVR E4 Elite VR headsets are your perfect companion for PC gaming. With complete Steam VR compatibility, you can enjoy over 7,000 games seamlessly. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a lag-free experience for quick reactions. A wide 116 degrees field of view provides an immersive gaming environment, allowing you to spot targets easily. The built-in 4-camera tracking system offers precise body movement tracking without external sensors, enhancing your gaming accuracy and realism. What we like: Steam VR compatibility. 120 Hz refresh rate. Wide field of view.